is Pamela with Passionate About Scrapbooking. You're close to my heart maker. Today I am sharing about the Holly and Ivy scrapbooking workshop that I have scheduled on Tuesday, October 26th. Here I am just going to share some of the bits and pieces of the scrapbook workshop and the contents. You will find a colored guide in your scrapbook kit. And here's just a little example of it. We'll be creating 3 two-page scrapbook layouts. And I'm also featuring the products, additional products that will be used for the workshop. So I'm just opening the packet up. I'm sharing that we have photo placement cards for 3x4s, 4x4s, and 4x6s. And then we also have the Holly and Ivy die cuts. You'll find in this packet some scarlet glitter paper die cuts along with some craft die cuts and evergreen cardstock die cuts. Included are 4 12x12 page protectors and also this beautiful sticker sheet made of heavy cardstock. Then we have a collection of papers from the paper packet. All our papers are double-sided, and you'll see that here in my examples. And then in this particular workshop, you'll receive exclusive die cuts. They punch out very easily, and there are a total of 4 sheets that are included in this particular workshop kit. You'll also receive an exclusive paper. This is 12x12, just one-sided. And then we have cardstock in Harbor and French Vanilla and White Daisy. Today I am sharing how to create project number 2 out of the workshop. So I'm just punching out the die cuts very quickly here. I've sped it up a little bit for you. So we'll just give it a minute and set all those aside. So these are all for project number 2 that I'll be creating today. And so we're going to take off the little journaling sticker there along with the journaling strip and going to do a fun technique using the Gilt Glossy spray. So I have some close to my heart shipping boxes here that I use just to help protect my work surface. And I'm just going to spray to either side of the items, not directly on them, and the splatter that ends up on the journaling strips is what I'm going for. And now we will just start building the pages. We're using the deer paper. I'm just showing the back of it, but both of these will be used as the bases. And then I'll be separating out the pieces that go on each page. This is the exclusive paper that was cut down to 10 by 10. Next, I'm laying down the 1/4-inch strip of Harbor cardstock. Next, I'm laying down my photograph on top of the 10-inch piece that I laid down. Now I'm just starting to create my title. It'll consist of some stickers along with the die cuts. So I'm using some foam tape just to add a little bit of dimension to this particular piece of the title. And it'll center right up at the top of the chalkboard looking paper that you'll have noticed I used my white gel pen to draw a line and dot around the parameter of it. I did that off camera. I just had to reposition my photo there a little bit to get it centered. And then from here, I'm just going to start building up my title, and we're going to move through fairly quickly so you can just watch as I start to place the embellishments, the stickers and the leaves in different areas on this left side of the layout. I'm just finishing up my title right here, and then I will start with the clusters on either side of the photo. So these beautiful pages come together wonderfully with all the stickers and die cuts. There's no stamping involved in these pages, so it's really just following the instructions and the photographs that are shared in the workshop guide. And you'll see some of the embellishments I am gluing down with just regular adhesive, and then others I'm adding some dimension by using some of our 3D foam tape. So it's a combination of stickers, die cuts, those glitter and craft flowers and embellishments. So as I work through this, I just thought I would share with you that my workshop will be through a private Facebook group on October 26th. The deadline to order, so you will hopefully get your product in hand, would be October 15th. So order your scrapbooking workshop kit plus the additional products by October 15th. That'll give about 10 to 12 days prior to the workshop going live in my private Facebook group. If for some reason your product, your order does not arrive in time, you will have the recordings to watch later on when you do receive your product order. So here I am on the second page drawing the lines with a dot onto that not charcoal, but the chalkboard looking paper. It's like a black paper with chalk that's been wiped off of it. Gives a nice distressed look, and these white gel pens look really great with this technique. Then I'm just going to lay this one down as I did previously on the opposite page. It's just kind of a matching background on both pages. And here I am using foam tape just to give the photo mat some dimension. And then here in a few minutes, I will add 3x4 photos to that photo mat. And then again, you're just watching me create the clusters using all the products I have previously mentioned that come in the collection, the kit. So this journaling strip here, a large portion of the bottom of it will be covered up with the cluster, and then it'll leave you 7 to 8 lines that you can use to write your journaling on. If you needed to do more journaling, you could always add a 3x4 flip flap or 2 to these photos. You could also use 2 4x6 photos in lieu of the 4 3x4 photos. So it's coming together, it's almost done. So I just want to invite you and encourage you to participate. Purchase your scrapbooking workshop kit along with the additional supplies needed to do the techniques, which include the Gilt Glossy spray, the white gel pens, and order deadline is October 15th and our workshop will be October 26th. Thank you.